smart kids, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Okay, this time we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound. Okay, and we have two letters with the same sound. Do you know what are they? Yes, you're right. Letter C and letter K. Yes, and both of them have the same sound, and the sound is k, 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 k. Okay, now can we say the sound together? Great! K, 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 k. Alright, now we are going to say the things or the objects that start with k, k, k sound. Okay, let's start with letter C. Okay, can you tell me what are the things that start with k, 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 k? Yes, very good. Car. K, 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 car. What else? K, 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 cake. Okay, anything else? Yes, you're right. K, 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 corn. And then? Exactly. K, 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 cow. Very good, kids. Alright, now let's move to the k, k, k sound with the letter K. Okay, can you tell me what are the things of the objects that start with k, k, k? Yes, you're right. K, 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 king. Very good. What else? K, 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 kite. Yes, anything else? Yes, k, 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 key. And then k, 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 kangaroo. Very good, kids. Now it's time for us to spot the sound of the k, k, k. Okay, we are going to spot either the sound in the beginning or the middle or the ending. Are you ready? Great. Okay, now let's start with the first word. I have milk. Milk. Yes, can you tell me where is the k, k, k sound? Yes, at the end, the ending sound. Very good. And then next I have kids. Kids. Where is the k, 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 k sound? Very good. It's in the beginning. Good job. And then next I have clock. Clock. Where is the k, k, k sound? Yes, you're right. It's in the beginning and at the end of the word. Good job. Okay, and the last one I have kiss. Kiss. Yes, where is the k sound? Yes, very good. It's in the beginning. Yay! Well done, kids. Alright, now it's time for Riddle.
It's time for Riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is an animal and this animal make the sound moo. What it could be? Yes, you're right friends. It's a cow. Yay! We did it friends. Yes! Good job friends. Good job friends. Good job, good job, good job friends. Alright friends, see you in the next riddle. Bye-bye.
Okay kids, now let's try to write the letter C. Okay, k, k, k for the letter C. Okay, your pointer please. Okay, let's start to write together, okay? K, 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 k. Alright, one more time. C. Okay, very good. Next, for the k, 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 for the K, letter K. Okay, ready? Okay, finger, K, K, K. Okay, one more time. K, 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 for K. Okay, very good, kids. Alright, well done, kids. So now let's review one more time. What is the sound of the letter C and the letter K? Yes, k. Very good. Alright, kids. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.